lighting on a set, there's more to it than just taking a light, putting it on a stand, and pointing it out in the middle of the set. There's a lot of manipulation of the light needs to be done. And that's done through either color correction gels or very commonly diffusions. Diffusions and color corrections gels are all made by two major manufacturers, Lee and Roscoe. Today we're just going to talk about Roscoe gels. I happen to have them here right now. And Roscoe, by the way, thank you very much. I notice on your new gels that are coming out, the safety for Sarah. We'll talk about that more sometime, but I appreciate you guys putting that on there. So the basic 8 diffusions that are used on any set break down into like 2 groups. There's the 216 group. Basically, 216 is a full diffusion, and the 216 is just a code number, but that's how it's referenced. Everybody calls it a 216. They don't call it a full white diffusion. Half of that is known as a 250. A quarter of that full is known as a 251. Again, these are just code designations, but that's how they're termed. They do make an 1/8 white diffusion. Most of my customers don't ask for that by name. They prefer this opal frost, so we like to carry that on the set. And then there's a dozen other various ones. There's a Hanover frost, there's a Hampshire frost, various others. 3 other very popular ones also are the grid claws. It's a very heavy-duty material. Really softens the light up, and they're known as a full grid. Light grid, also known as a half grid. You'll hear half grid, the term sometimes. It's not labeled as a half grid, it's labeled as light, but light and half are the same thing. And then of course, there's a quarter grid. Those are the basic diffusions used on any film set.